Hello everybody, Wendy here, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator living in Narberth, Wales. Now then, I've had a few disasters today with trying to make this video. What I've been showing you is, if you, a couple of videos back I did an unboxing of my purchases, my Happy Mail. And I got this, it's the Note of Kindness card kit, and it's got stacks of stuff in. Look, all of that stuff, all of it, brilliant. So what I've done is I thought, well, I'll make one of the cards up with you so you can see then how it all fits together and things. Right, now then, I've done this one so far. That's the one I videoed and I never pushed a button on it today. Proper clown I am, see? So I thought, right, I'll make this one now instead, the bottom one, because I made that one first, that one second, so I'll make this one now as the third. So you've got all the instructions, turn that over and you can see the instructions. It tells you where things go and things like that. Now then, for this one now, I need one of these cards. Which one was it? So you've got all these cards with it, and it's this one, I think. Yes, it's this one. Again, bumpy side. Then use your bone folder, and that gives you a nice crease. And it helps it stand up a lot better as well. So now then, what else do we need? Does it say, right, that's that. And then you get about 4 or 5 sheets of these. So, I just noticed something. Hang on a minute. Ah yes, here we are, look. Assembly key. It tells you exactly all the ingredients, I was going to say, all the items that you're going to need, 1 to 7, and then at the back then you can see where 1, 2, 3, 4, where they all go. So that's easy, isn't it? Right, what else is it? Oh right, it's this one. Looks a bit like a succulent, this one, doesn't it? That's all you do with these. You go round and you pop them out. They're already cut for you, so you just pop them out and they're ready to use. Now, where's that other bit gone? I think it's this one. Right, so I've got that one and that one. Oh, this one's going to be easier than any of them, I think. Now, shall I try the string again? I tried the string earlier and it just would not work. So we'll give it a go. Can't be beaten by these things, you see. Come here. Now then, where does the string go? In here. It just pokes out of either end, so that's okay. Scissors. Now I'm very naughty because these are my paper scissors. But I don't think it matters if you use paper scissors to cut string, it's okay. But if you have string scissors or material scissors, you mustn't cut paper with material scissors, but you can do it the other way around, so that's okay. Now then, we put that there. So now that they've folded it round, well, first of all, I'm going to see how much you've got bits sticking up. Oops, bits sticking up there, like that, and then come back down. Not too much off. If only I'd do this before I think before you cut, because that's the expression. Cut once, no, measure once, cut twice. Right, I'm just going to put a loose knot in it, rather. And it's going to be, I'm going to put that, where's my dimensions? You see, you've got everything in this kit you need. You just got to remember where you've put everything in the box, that's all. Right, now then. Oh, I got stuck. I'm going to stick that there because that's going to go there. So I'm going to stick that bit there, and then I'm going to sort of do a sort of, I'm not very good with string, as you could guess. No, I don't use string that often, but it is something that I really do want to use. Now these again, these sentiments, you've got merci, danke and thank you. So that's English, France and German, is it? I think it's German. Right, so I got that. Now then they've got it going that way. So what they've done is, just put this across the top there, put it down, turn it over, and put your dimensionals under there. Now if you'd like to buy this kit, then follow the link. The link will take you to Stampin' Up! Online store. But on the top left, it says find a demonstrator. If you put Wendy Davis Stead in there, you'll get to my online shop. I've had a bit of problem with the links lately, and I don't know, I think they hiccuped or something and went all over the place. But go to there. I will then get informed that you have been very kind to put an order in with me. What's this thing doing? Won't come off. And then I will then send you a little freebie. It'll be a craft freebie, so you'll be able to use it along with everything else. We don't know what it is yet, because I don't know yet what it is it's going to be. Now that is a little bit too long, so I will cut it, but I won't cut it, I don't want it dangling off the edge of the card, because that'll look, come back here. So if I cut it off, ouch, cut it off about there, and there we go. And I think, yes, they put some of these pearls on there as well, but I can't get into the packet. Well, never mind, you don't, because the things are there doesn't mean you've got to use it all. You can just use what you like. So there we go. Nice little thank you card that you can send to somebody. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.